Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search and watch history quickly and easily. Did you know that every time you use YouTube while signed into your account, all your search and watch history is saved to your Google account? This means the search bar remembers what you've looked up, and your dashboard suggests content based on your previously watched videos. If you want a fresh start or simply wish to maintain your privacy, keep watching, and I'll guide you step by step. To begin, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to delete the history. Once you're on YouTube, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to the Your Data in YouTube page, where you can manage your search and watch history. On the Your Data in YouTube page, scroll down until you find the Manage Your YouTube Watch History option, and click on it. You'll now be taken to the YouTube History Settings page. You will notice an option to auto-delete every 36 months, or every 3 years. With this option, you can change the time period to every 3 months, or every 18 months, and in addition to every 36 months. Or you can turn off automatic deletion of your viewing and search history. From here, locate the Delete drop-down menu. Click it to see 3 options. Delete today's activity. Delete a custom date range. Delete all time. For this tutorial, I'll choose all time. When prompted, review the confirmation message to ensure you're deleting the correct data. Then, click the Delete button to finalize the process. You'll now see a confirmation screen letting you know that all your search and watch history has been deleted. When you return to YouTube, you will notice that all your previous searches or videos you watched have been deleted. And your account dashboard is empty, as if you are using the YouTube platform for the first time. And that's it. Deleting your YouTube search and watch history is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell for more easy to follow lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.